very well. And today I'm taking the chapter Cell Structures and Function Part 1. In this part, I'm going to tell you brief description about cells, discovery of cells, structural units, those cells, types of cells, and then we are going to recapitulate what we are going to do. So first, before moving on, let's first revise what we have done previously in previous classes. In class 6 or 7, you have learned about matter and all that. So here I am taking that example only. Table. I have taken an object which is also called matter. Why matter? Because anything that has mass and occupies spaces matter. Like table, chair, door, or books, notebooks, anything that occupies space and they have weight or mass, that's matter. Now what matter is made up of? It's made up of different molecules. Molecules are the small tiny particles to which matter is made up. Like हमने ये भी करा है that solids have very closely packed molecules like this. Liquids have some loosely packed and gases have very much loosely packed. That are only molecules which change the physical state of an object or matter. What are molecules made up of? They are made up of atoms. So, when a single atom joins a group of atoms, it forms a molecule. When a single molecule joins a group of molecules, it forms matter or an object. Same as with the cell. So, like I told you about matter, same as with the cells. A cell is very small building block of a human body. Not only human body, plant body also, and animal body also. So what is basically cell? A cell is a building block of our body. It's a cell. A group of cells form a tissue. A single cell forms a group of cells called tissues. Now, like a group of tissues, one tissue, two tissue, or third tissue, they form an organ. Organ like hand is an organ, eyes are our sense organs, like this, an organ. Now, number of organs, like 3 to 4 or more than organs form an organ system. Same like matter. Like first there was matter, then it formed an object of matter, then it was made using molecules. Molecules were made up of atoms and atoms were made up of nucleus. In this, there were first cell, group of cells tissues, group of tissues organs, and group of organs organ system, and group of organ system forms a human, not only a human body, and that's living body. So let's see what happened. Cell, single cell, when more cells joined with it, formed a tissue. When more tissues joined with it, formed an organ. When more organs joined with it, organ system. And when number of organ systems joined, it made a proper functional living body. So that was about cell. So how the discovery happened, how the cell was discovered, actually in 1665 by Dr. Robert Hooke. He was a scientist. So he was just studying a cork. He was studying a cork under a microscope. In 1665, Robert Hooke was just observing what is there in a cork. What he observed that there were honeycomb-like structures where the honeybees live. This kind of structures, a group of these kind of structures he observed. And at that time, in 1665, at the place where Robert Hooke was observing these things, in that particular area, there were many monasteries, Buddhist monasteries, which were in the shape of these honeycomb-like structures, which which were also called cells. So he coined the term cells for these honeycomb-like structures that he observed on the cork. Now let us talk about the structural unit. Structural unit of any living body, a cell and non-living body is that atoms. Now let us just see how they are the structural units. So here it is the non-living column, and it's the living column. Okay, so here we are going to talk about the non-living things, how they are made up of. Here we are going to talk about the living things. Okay, first the non-living things. Okay, let me take an example of a book, and here I am going to take a human body. Like there are plant body also, so I have taken an example of human body. So this book, we can say it is a matter. It's a matter. Human body is a group of organ systems. As I told you before, group of organ systems is the living body is made up. Now, matter is made up of molecules, small molecules which define the physical property of matter. And this organ systems is made up of number of organ systems are made up of organs. Now these molecules are made up of atoms. Number of atoms for molecules. Now molecules atoms are also made up of like nucleus, etc. But we will do till here because it's not our topic. Here in the organs are made up of tissues. Number of tissues make organ system and organ system human body. Now these tissues are made up of cells. So first, just suppose there is no cell. Tissues would form? No. Organs would form? No. Organ system would form? No. Human body could form? Never. So if we suppose that tissues are not there, so cells, they form a thing like a group. If there were no tissues, they would be on organs. Then organ system, human body, it does not affect much. But if there is no cell, it would affect a lot. There would be nothing. In atoms, two is there. Like if atoms are not there, no molecules, no matter, no book, no nothing. So this is what we call it structural units. So we are taking now and moving to the next topic, that's types of cells. Now cells are also classified into two groups that are based upon number, based upon the nucleus. So nucleus we will study in the part 2. So first we are taking the based upon numbers. So here the cell is divided into two groups as I told you, based upon numbers, means how many cells are there, and based upon nucleus. Here we are going to talk about based upon number of cells. So here cells are also classified as I told you upon two types. So based upon number means if there is one cell, one means unique. If it is unicellular or multicellular. What uni means? Actually, this word uni means unique and cellular. Sorry. Uni means one. Cellular means cells. Means the organism or the body that is having only one cell is unicell. Example, amoeba, paramecium. They are unicellular organisms. The second is multicellular. Now here, multicellular. Multi, everyone knows, means many, and cellular means cells. The thing who is having many cells, like our human body is not made up of one cell, it is made up of many cells. So it is multicellular. So most of the things are multicellular, like bacteria, fungi. Some of them are made up of one cell, that is unicellular. So here I have some questions for you. The first question is hen's egg a unicellular or multicellular? Is hen's egg made up of one cell or many cells? Please comment. Second question is ostrich egg made up of one cell or many cells? Same. Is it a unicellular or multicellular? Third is, which is the largest cell? Which is the largest cell present that we can see with the naked eye also? Hen is an egg of an organism. It can be an animal, any bird. I want you to comment these questions as fast as you can. So first recapitulate what we understood. That cell is the structural unit of any body, living body. Then Robert Hooke in 1665, Robert Hooke discovered and observed the honeycomb-like structures on a cord, which he coined the term cell. Then cells are based upon their numbers and they are classified into two types, that are unicellular and multicellular. So if you want me to make the part 2 also, so please like, subscribe, share and comment. And you surely comment that how can I improve my teaching so that we explore more and we discover more. And not forget to comment the answers of the questions I gave you. Stay home, stay safe. As coronavirus is increasing, follow the rules that government has issued. Thanks for watching.